everybody and welcome along. This is a flip through really of a little journal that I've made. I've made this type of journal before, but this time I made it intentionally, not that I didn't make it intentionally before, but I have purchased these boxes and they're gorgeous and they're pink and they're lovely. But the reason I've purchased them is in this country, Royal Mail deemed this size of envelope, of box, a large letter, which means it's not hideously expensive to send either within this country or to send internationally. And it measures almost 6.5 by 9.25, and it's just less than an inch. So my goal now is to find journals that I can make that will fit in this box, not be too heavy, and I can send around the world. So let's have a look at what's in here. Oh, look at that. That's nice, isn't it? And it fits in no problem, even room for a little bit of bubble wrap and tissue. So let's take this out and have a look. You may recall I made some of these at Christmas last year, as it is now. But this one is from Artie May's Foxgloves. So it closes with a lovely piece of ribbon that just wraps around, and it goes through an eyelet, so it keeps it in place, so you're not going to lose that ribbon. And then, I mean, look at beautiful images in this kit, beautiful. Opens up, and then you've got a tag, says make each day your masterpiece. I like that. And on the back, everything is backed with cream card actually, and stenciled, and this has got a lovely faux silk top to it. Then we've got this, which is an envelope, beautiful image, and it's got a card, journaling card inside it. That needs stenciling on the back of, Mrs. You forgot about that. That'll get done before it goes out. And this is a beautiful blush colour, it's lovely. And that's the back, that lovely image. And then here we've got an envelope from the kit. I haven't put anything in it, so you can put your own things in it. And I'm trying to keep the weight down. Then this image, you could journal on there. You absolutely could. And then we start the journal proper. It opens up like that, and it opens up again. And here we've got a lovely pocket. We've got the pieces in here largely are not backed because they'd just be too thick. I wouldn't be able to get them in, and they'd weigh too much. So I've got this tag, which is a layered tag, and this little journaling card, and they fit in that pocket there, like that. Then over here we've got this lovely pocket. This is not from the Foxgloves kit, but it's so pretty. And then we've got a postcard stenciled on the back, and this, look at that, that's so pretty, with the faux silk top to it stenciled. I love this background paper from the kit, it's gorgeous. And that is actually, it's open down the side here, so it's a tuck spot, I guess, more than a pocket really. They fit into there. Then we start the actual paper journal, if you like. We've got this lovely pocket and some little bits of ephemera just popped into there, like so. Then we've got all this journaling space, so it really is a useful journal. There's plenty of space in it. Then on the back page we've got a pocket, a couple of bits of ephemera, and this lovely heart. Isn't that so nice? And you could journal on the back. You definitely could if you were desperate. And then this flips out, and we've got two little pockets here with a couple of little tags and some tickets in there. Cute. And this one says enjoy the moment. This one says live your dreams. And then this side tuck pocket here, we've got this, which I really love. The foxglove with its stately bells of purple shall adorn thy dells. David Macbeth Moyer. Lovely. And this one as well with the top on it. So they fit down into there like that. That folds over. Beautiful image. That folds over. Let me just fold this front bit in. I've got a bit too much open. So we've got a lovely oh, that's gorgeous. I love that tag. Journaling on the back, postcard, this lovely image, gorgeous. A little coin envelope or seed packet envelope, whichever. And this time I have popped something into it, which doesn't want to release itself. There we go. Journaling on the back. So that just pops into there. Little journaling card, and that is the end of the journal. It's really nice, isn't it? It's just so pretty. And that will be for sale in my Etsy shop relatively soon. As soon as I can get some photographs taken and get it listed. But it's probably going to be today, I think. So there we have it. That's that. So let's pop it in its box. Keep it nice and clean and pristine, and that can go off around the world or around the country sometime soon. So thank you for watching. I hope you like that little journal. Bye for now.